It's Thredup Thursday, and we are going to open a Thredup DIY designer box today. So excited. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Christina, and I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and The RealReal. To be fair, I haven't sent anything into The RealReal in a couple months, and I've been waiting for this January promotion to come out to send the box in. I keep thinking I'm going to send it in. I have items in it, and I haven't sent it. So I'm doing it this month. I'm sending it in. So hopefully we can get another consignment going with The RealReal. And hopefully there'll be some items in here that I can send in and that will be a good fit to send over to that platform. This box is coming to us from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. So, and I did end up, normally I have a little green sticker here. I end up writing designer on here. So I don't know if I had to figure out, I don't know if there was a receipt or if I had to figure out from my email like what box this was. But I wrote designer on it. So we might be surprised if I open it and it's not actually a designer box. Okay. We do have the receipt. This is a DIY designer box. Yay. And this will have 7 DIY designer items in it, which means they might need some rehab, some cleaning. And it was $140 plus shipping plus tax. To date, I have used credits on every box I've purchased, or I have used, like if they've had a sale. The only exception to that is I did buy a DIY jewelry box, full price with shipping, because those go so fast, and I saw it and I bought it, and I didn't have a credit ready. So I don't remember which one that was, but that's been the only exception to that rule. Okay, so there's the top. And I kind of like when they don't tape the tissue, because then it's easier for me to reuse it. We don't lose some of the tissue. Give you a peek. I always love, okay, when there's a nice variety. So I do see a glasses case and I see some clothing on top. I would love to get a bag. We'll see if a bag maybe is floating in here. And then of course it is kind of heavy, so I'm pretty sure there's some shoes in here. We'll take the first clothing item off the top. And I immediately saw the tag, and this is by Millie. This is in a size 4. And I'm assuming this is a dress. Let's see. Yes. It is a sleeveless dress. Very, I don't want to use the word heavy duty, but this is a very nice quality, heavy weighted material. You've got the kind of like turtleneck top with 3 buttons on the back. They're all there. And you've got the little keyhole in the back. Comes to a belted waist, which we do have the belt, which is great. And then you have this beautiful black and white geometric print. It looks like it's a knee-length dress. Like I said, the belt is here. Let's check the belt. Everything looks okay with the belt, so I'm not really sure if there's a problem with this one. Let's look at the tag. It says 100% cotton. Very nice. This is very well made. I don't happen to see any flaws on this one. It's beautiful. And I will be putting prices on the screen, so if you are interested in purchasing something directly, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com, and you're welcome to purchase it from me directly before I list or send it off to The RealReal. Okay, next. Okay, so well, I'll show you in a second. Let's look at this one. I'm going to show you what the rest of what's in the box. Spoiler alert, there's no bag. I love when there's a bag. No bag in this one. Okay, it looks like we've got a coat or a jacket. This is by Armani. Okay, it feels like it's a cotton or cotton blend. It's not wool. And it's a really pretty wine color or maroon color, but it's more like a knit blazer than it is like a wool. Let's see if we see a size. This one, just from looking at it, seems like it's in good shape. I don't see anything yet. Let me unbutton. See if we can find a size on this one. Maybe in the pocket. Yes. So if you look at the interior, you got the really nice, almost looks tailored interior, and there is a tag in the pocket. What? I don't know. Why under size is USA blank? Oh dear. Well, in Italian, it's a 52. In Mexico, it's a 52. Brazil, it's a 52. US, it says there's little dashes. So I will have to try to figure out what size this is and put it on the screen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The size chart. So I'll look at it closer. Maybe I'm just not seeing it somewhere, but anyways, this is good. Nice. Now the RealReal does not take this brand. Normally when I get like a blazer or something like that, I would send it into them, but they don't take Armani. So I'll be selling that one myself for sure. Okay, let me give you a peek of the inside so you can see. So it looks like we've got one more clothing, that we've got 2 pairs of shoes, a belt, and sunglasses. So that's kind of cool. We got 2 accessories in this box. All right, let's go for the last clothing item. This one is Alice and Olivia, which can resell really well depending on the piece. This feels like metal. Like, I know it's metallic looking, right? But it actually feels like metal, like almost a chainmail. That's really interesting. I don't see any holes, which is kind of what I would expect with a flaw. It's really cool. Definitely want to wear something under that because it would hurt. Okay. Let's look at the tag. Okay, so it is 74% viscose and 26% metallic. I'm telling you. Let's see if we see a size. There's a style. I don't see a size. So maybe that's an issue. So I'll have to do some measuring on this one. But I would say it's probably a size small, maybe a medium. But that is really neat. I've never really seen anything like that before. Okay. All right. So even though we don't have a bag, I think they saved the best brands for last in the bottom here, y'all. Okay, so let's go for the accessory because that was actually kind of on the top and it just kept falling. We have at least a case that says Chanel. It is a little beat up. Here's the inside. Oh boy. I really hope these are actually Chanel sunglasses. I have received 2 pairs of Chanel sunglasses before. For sure 1, because I got 1 in a fun box, which is crazy. Ooh, these are really nice. Look at that. Ooh, these are great. Oh, these are nice. And then look, you've got the quilted, this feels like leather side with the Chanel logo on either side. The lenses are a little scratched, moderately scratched. There's a big scratch right across here. It's very hard to show on camera. And then a couple scratches on this lens. So that would be my guess as to why these were not accepted, because aside from that, these are in gorgeous condition. I'm very, very happy with these. There might be there's some wear. Okay, so there is a little bit of wear where it goes behind your ear, because this is leather. See how there's a little bit maybe missing here, or some wear there. You know I have to put these on. Very awesome. Super happy with those. Okay, and they come with the dust bag and the case. The case is a little beat up, but that's all right. Yay, we got Chanel. All right, so let's do a pair of shoes. We got Gucci. Awesome. We have a pair of Gucci mules. Slide in loafers. These are in a size 36. They are a smaller size. Right there. They have the horse bit hardware, which is intact. They are, heel drag's not bad. Interior is not bad. They do have the number right here. There is some scuffing on the toe. Y'all can see that. So for this kind of leather, I will probably just use some of the Doc Martens Wonder Balsam and go over these scratches and then just wipe out the footbeds. At least on this one, that's what I'll do. This one at least is in really good condition. Toe scuff, not a big deal. Okay. We have the matching size, which is important. Still have some scuffing here. You can see that. Same thing. This one looks like it's in great shape. So I will clean these up. This won't take a lot of work. And get these listed. Those are gorgeous. I love these. Okay, very happy with that. Let's go for our accessory next. We have a belt. Have I ever gotten a belt in a designer box? I don't think so. So this will be interesting. We've got a long black, it's very soft leather belt with gold tone grommets. The gold tone buckle. You can see right there, I'm giving it away, the brand. There is a lot of wear on this buckle though. You can see a lot of wear across it. This is Prada. How great. And let's see. There's information inside here. It's totally leather. It's very soft. Let's see. Prada, made in Italy. And then this says 8534. So I don't know if that's the length. So I will probably have to measure this and try to figure out like what size that is. And maybe it means it's a 34 inch for 34-inch waist. And then there is a number imprinted here. Now I will say there is a little bit of raising of the leather. So it's sewn on both sides right here, but the leather is coming up in a few places, like before the stitching, like right here. So that will need to be glued down, but this is so nice. I love this. It does have a lot of wear, but it's really pretty. Okay, last item in the box. I can see the footbeds are a mess, so I'm going to have some shoe goo to clean off. But you guys, we have Chanel. Yay. I think this is the third pair of Chanel shoes I've gotten, if I'm not mistaken. Look how gorgeous that is. You've got the square toe, which does have some wear on it. It's not bad. So I need to clean that up a little bit. The footbed in this is so gross. Yuck, guys. I'm going to have to really scrub that out with some tub of towels. Yuck. But it does say Chanel made in Italy. I would say that these might be vintage, just from the feel of them. You do have some wrinkling of the leather here, so they need to be conditioned. This, oh, let me see if the stretch is still in this. Okay, so the stretch is still good, which is awesome. And then my face is itchy. I'm trying not to scratch it. Okay. The heel on this is so cool. Y'all, it's a metal heel. Look at that. Some serious hardware right there. That is really cool. I love these. Okay. These are in a size 38. And those are fabulous. Okay, let's look at the other one before I get too excited. The toe on this one is pristine. Still someone's nasty footbed. It's gross. Okay, all right, the stretch on this one is good in the back, but it looks like the stretch, like here where the buckle is like it may be about ready to come apart. Okay. We'll have to see about that. All right. And then other than that, fabulous. You get the little CCs right there. Honestly, I wish these were my size because I could wear these, but they're not. Womp womp. But these are not in terrible condition. The only thing I'm a little worried about is the stretch in this buckle. That may not last forever. That may be, and the other one's kind of that way too. Not as bad. So that one may be on its way out. But those are great. I am thrilled. Okay, so the first half of the box with the brands I got, all the clothing was in pretty good condition, which is great because I don't want to put a ton of work into anything because I actually have a lot of stuff I need to list right now. So the clothing was in really great shape. I feel like the Gucci mules are in pretty good shape. Overall, this is a great box. And y'all, we got 2 Chanels in the same box. Are you kidding? I got Chanel sunglasses and shoes. Okay, I'll take that over getting a bag. All right, let's count our items really fast. We have the Chanel shoes for 1, the Chanel sunglasses for 2, the Gucci loafers for 3, the Prada belt for 4. Then we got this really cool Alice and Olivia metallic top for 5. The Armani blazer for 6. And the Millie dress for 7. All right, y'all, let me know what you think. I cannot believe I got 2 Chanels. I'm still kind of freaking out about that. Gucci and Prada. I'm very happy. Let me know what you guys think of this box. Make sure that if you're not subscribed, you subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next week for another recap and 2 more unboxings. Bye, y'all.